Hey, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I've got an awesome and very special video for you today. I have got Mr. Fly and Ride Senior visiting, and we are going to go out for a ride, and we're going to take you with us. We've got Airwolf, a 2022 BMW R1250 GS, and Sandstorm, my 2020 Street Glide CVO, and we're going to go out for an awesome morning ride. I am absolutely blessed that I still get to spend some time with my old man, and that he's still out riding me on all of these adventures. So we're going to take you with us. Before we do, though, I'm Fly and Ride. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on both of these bikes that you see right here. I feature cinematic drone footage flying my DJI MAVIC 2 drone. Then we do product reviews, product upgrades, ride videos like the one we're about to do right now. Group rides, all here across the great state of New Jersey, and sometimes outside the great state of New Jersey. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. So we're gonna go out, check out some of these beautiful roads. It is absolutely beautiful here in New Jersey this morning. We're gonna go head out and meet up with Mr. Nadal at his house. He's got some of his great coffee for us. Go for a nice ride and just enjoy some quality time with my old man. It doesn't get any better than this. So hopefully you enjoy the ride. Let's go. All right, let's roll. Absolutely beautiful. Check out the birds, the sun. I got Fly and Ride scenery behind me. It does not get any better than this. So we're gonna go gas up the bike, and then from there we're gonna head to Nadal's. We're going to take a nice scenic road and enjoy this beautiful morning. ¿Ve que es mejor cuando usa el freno atrás? ¿Está bien? La técnica, cuando tú estás doblando, es mantener el freno apretado, dando la aceleración y el cloche a la mitad. Esa potencia te mantiene siempre balanceado. ¿Ves? ¿Ves? All right, so as you saw, we just finished gassing up. So I was explaining the whole preload concept to him. It's been a long time since he's ridden, and you know, he's been riding bikes for over 50 years. I'm no one to tell him, but you know, frankly, I learned these techniques, and I wanted to make sure that he knows, you know, what the concept is, and then he can practice it as we're riding. But we're not going to do a lot of talking, just literally enjoying a ride with my dad. That's what this is all about. But I am taking you with us because it is a beautiful morning. Sandstorm is sounding beastly with the amazing Chromworks pipes. Listen to that. Wow. Tell you, if you really want to enjoy the full experience of these Harleys, get yourself a Chromworks full exhaust system. You'll thank me later. Enjoy the scenery, enjoy the ride. I know I will. Not a lot of talking. Do me a favor, if you're liking this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one.
can't really describe how much I enjoyed that moment just back there. That redefines epic for me.
The drawbridge is coming up. Aquel es el que subió la que tiene la cela, el sail bien alto. Vamos allá. Esa cosa alta no cruza por el puente, por eso tiene que subir el puente. Ajá. So this is a nice treat for all of you. Very cool drawbridge. Got the boats going through. This is Seabright, New Jersey. Morning. This is Seabright.
Seabright.
Yeah. They got that drawbridge going up.
What?
Pretty good timing. Morning. How are you?
Morning.
Morning.
Look it up. Both of them coming across. Yeah. Pretty cool. So this is a nice treat for all of you. Very cool drawbridge. Got the boats going through. All right, we're headed back.
So we're getting to Nadal's. We're gonna enjoy some coffee, just relax. Hopefully you enjoyed this nice, scenic, pretty epic ride for me. Riding with Mr. Fly&Ride Senior. Does not get any better than that. Do me a favor, if you like this content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.